after the PCBA production is completed. If the circuit board encountered chemical, vibration, high settlement, salt spray, humidity, and high temperature environment may produce corrosion, softening, deformation, mildew, and other problems, leading to the failure of the circuit board. Power Bureau. Then how to prevent this kind of problems? It needs to use 3 anti-paint. 3 anti-paint is a special formula of paint. 3 refers to moisture-proof, salt spray prevention, and anti-static. 3 anti-paint has good high and low temperature resistance. It is coated on the surface of the dry circuit board, forming a layer of 3 anti-protective film, solidified into a common film, become the protective layer of electronic circuit and components. 3 anti-paint can also prevent leakage. Pay attention to me. Take you to know more about PCBA production knowledge.